Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by stabilizing the trailer and taking safety steps, park level, chalk wheels, and set the parking brake so the trailer won't shift. Next, disconnect or isolate the jack wiring to avoid shorts and tag the connector so reassembly is simple. Once done, raise the trailer slightly on a floor jack and position jack stands under the frame. This relieves load from the trailer jack. Now remove the handle, bleed hydraulic pressure if applicable, and unbolt the mounting hardware to start extraction. You'll now extract the old jack while keeping the frame supported so nothing drops. Loosen the mounting bolts in an opposing pattern and back them out enough to relieve torque, then remove them fully. Disconnect the wiring harness and any grease fittings or lines, tuck wires out of the way so they don't snag. Pull the jack straight down or slide it from the bracket. Use a pry bar or helper if seized. Inspect the frame and bolt holes for rust or distortion, so you know if repairs are needed before installing the new unit. You install the replacement by aligning the new jack with the mounting holes and inserting bolts, then torquing them to the manufacturer's specification to prevent loosening. Reconnect the wiring using dielectric grease on terminals to prevent corrosion, then cycle the jack several times to purge any trapped air and ensure smooth operation. Once done, lower the trailer onto the jack to test under load and recheck bolt torque. If the motor doesn't run, check battery voltage, fuses, switch continuity, and wiring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.